pub mix is what I'm using today. I got that at Kroger. And to that, I'm going to be adding about a half a box of Cheez-Its. Me and my wife love Cheez-Its, so I'm going to put some of those in there as well. Next, I'm going to pour 1 stick of melted butter over my mix. Make sure it's stirred up and coated. Once it's all coated, I'm going to sprinkle some AP rub all over everything just to give it a nice little flavor. And this time I'm using the Gospel AP rub. You can buy that at Lowe's, at least here in Texas you can. So that's it. I mean, that's all there is to do to get this thing ready to go on the grill. So I'm ready to go and walk it out there right now. Let's put it on the smoker. I'm gonna come back about every 15 minutes and just stir everything up so that everything is getting smoked. But remember, we're not cooking anything here. We're just getting smoke on it. So about an hour at the most is about all we need. So every 15 minutes, I'm gonna come out here. I'm not gonna bring you back for every one of those, but that's how it goes down. So that's it, man. Just like that, we're completely done with this cook. Now, I do have a little tip for you, and it's based on something that happened to me once a while back. I smoked some popcorn, and right after we smoked it, we put it all in bags and stuff. We were gonna hand it out and stuff like that. But what we found out is that, like, the next day, it was like intense. The smoke was like really, really, really intense to the point that couldn't hardly eat it. I've done this twice now in the last week, and what I did to keep that from happening is I just let it sit on the counter uncovered, no foil paper or anything, overnight. And the next night it mellowed out and it was fine. We were able to put it into bags and stuff like that with no problem. I do recommend giving it a little time to release any excess smoke before you cover it up or before you put it into bags. Otherwise, that's it, man. This is a hit. I'm definitely going to be adding this to my Super Bowl menu, but we're just going to do it on a regular basis just on GP, just because it's that good. We always keep some salty snacks of some kind around here just to be watching TV and hanging out. And this stuff is really, really, really delicious. I want you to try it. If you try it, come back and let me know. Get in the comments, let me know how it went. It's Ron on the Grill, y'all. Peace.